Beautiful, isn't it? Here we have a Theobroma bicolor, otherwise known as macambo or jaguar tree. This is a wonderful type of chocolate that are very rare in Hawaii at the moment. We're lucky enough to have a handful of these going, and they produce enormous leaves at first, but these will shrink down, maybe football sized when it becomes a mature tree. And we happen to have the fruit that it makes, and that's one of these crazy things. Pretty wild. So we're going to go ahead and mark the top of this, and I'm going to cut the cap off so that we can save the shell, because they're so hard and they'll stick around for a long time. You could practically use them as a drinking vessel. So I thought this time it'd be fun to save it, and we're going to open the top and scoop them all out, and then we'll be planting the majority of these. Theobroma bicolor. All right, let's open this thing up. Oh, I thought that was going to be easier, and it's not. Let's see if that did it enough. Oh, it did. There we go. Never mind that dark stuff from the blade. That's the juice right there. All right, so that's the fruit there, and hidden inside of this juice is a little seed. Can't even get to it. This kind and the jaguar tree, no, Kupawasu, right. This is jaguar. Kupawasu is really similar in that it's very hard to get the fruit off of the seed. And like even trying to rot it off really doesn't work. It just stays just like you found it for months. Yep, very cantaloupe-like. Very melon, with a weird stringiness around the seed. It makes it really hard to get down to the seed. This stuff just stays on here. These have already been in my mouth for a moment, and you still wind up with this slimy shag of the seed coating on here. Yeah, that's a little closer. But these make incredible nibs. That's the big part about them. And combined with regular chocolate can make a much better cacao drink and a fine bar of chocolate. Alright, so I nibbled at this thing for about 3 minutes trying to get the fruit skin off. I'm still left with this weird stretchy slime on the outside, but I wanted to point out that the inside is white and not the purple or pink or sometimes tan that you have from Theobroma cacao. But the fruit and stickiness, this weird sliminess, is very, very similar to the Kupawasu, except the fruit flavor on this, the actual fruit body, there's a lot more actual fruit body than regular cacao. It's more similar to the Kupawasu, and except the Kupawasu has a very strange flavor, as where this is pleasant. This is more like cantaloupe, and very similar to cantaloupe. That actually makes it fun to eat. So pretty big seeds, and like I said, these seeds make a superior cacao nib and a great addition to chocolate or to hot cocoa. They said it creates more of a foam to a hot cocoa if you add this kind of chocolate to it. So yeah, that's your bicolor. And I'll be saving this container for later. They stick around for years.